Hey guys, what's up? I just got this new kind of lunchbox cooler bag and I'm excited to check it out. I actually also purchased a matching like backpack to this, but I just love like how pretty this looks, so I'm excited to check it out and we'll have a look at it. We'll talk about each of the components and just kind of have a first look at the quality. Okay, so far so good. I love the colors of this bag. Everything like feels well made. It's kind of like thick, of course, because it's got that thick component on the inside for cooling. So let's open this up, kind of like stretch it all out so we can see it in its full form. We have the interior here, which is of course like really well lined. Really easy to wipe this out if you spill anything, and of course it's going to help to keep things cold. You could put like an ice pack in here or something. That's probably what I'll do when I'm trying to keep something cool. And then up here in the top you have like a pouch where you can store other things, utensils, and that's like kind of like a mesh. Zipper is pretty nice, has the little brand name on there. You also have the brand name here on the front. And then the zipper seems pretty well made, like it's a good size zipper. And then you have the brand here on this. It's gold. I love the gold accents. I used to be like a silver person, and a few years ago I switched and have started using gold accents on almost like everything. So you have the hooks here on the side for this strap, which we will open up and have a look here. You have this adjustable portion. So the strap, even there, is already like a decent length, but that's going to be really long if you adjust that down. So you have a lot of length options. And then we have the little hooks here to clip onto the sides. Let's just see how this looks all put together. And of course you also have the handles on either side here. Yeah, that's super cute. I mean, it's hard to be stylish with a lunchbox, but I think they pull it off pretty well here. You also have this clip to hold the handles together over the top if you want. And then of course you don't have to use the longer strap. You could just use the handles. And it's really super cute. I'm loving it. Yeah, feels like the whole thing, like material, you could wipe down pretty easily if you needed to. It's really nice. Super cute. Anyway, I hope this was helpful for you, and I hope you have a great day.